got shops downstairs, you got shops upstairs. Strawberries galore. Oh, I seen that in one of the it's a rainbow corn dog or a rainbow grilled cheese sandwich. See the video of that. Pretty cool. ¿Lista? Wow, if you want to go goth, there you go. Ooh, that looks nice and warm. Like everybody's covered up and I'm wearing short sleeves.
Hi.
What's up?
Yeah, welcome.
Welcome, thank you.
Yeah, downstairs, many.
Arigato, many shirts. Ooh, delicious. Joshi? Nope. Ooh, let's check out those t-shirts. Oh, bunch of cats. Capsule Lab. Oh, look what I found. You want to pop in? Let's pop in. Mickey D's, that's the start as well. The J, is it the JR or the JW? Sorry, the JY line is right there. So that's another entrance. Diesel Japan, when in Japan. Yeah. And some, you have to walk on the right, and some other ones you have to walk on the left. Really weird. Anyway, depending what area of Tokyo you are in.
3:46 p.m. train bound for Shinjuku and
Alright, we just exited Shimbuku, right? Train stop, and look at this, all this. Oh, I remember seeing a video about that cat. Look at that. Welcome to Shinjuku. And he goes upstairs. Oh, he's supposed to have another screen up there. And he pops his head out. Anyway, doesn't this remind you of Times Square? Look at this. Really cool. Alright, we're gonna go venture out that way. We're looking for a very specific head. Let's see if we see it. Do we have a peek? Sneak? Let's see if we have a sneak peek. Oh, nope. That's not it. That's not it. That's not it. Alright, we'll keep looking. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in Kabuki Godzilla Road. Dun dun dun. It doesn't sound like Godzilla, but it's Godzilla Road. We're on the mother load on the 3rd floor. I'll get to the address right now. Super Famicom. Okay. Top loader. Cool. Man, every store you go to, it's like super cold outside, but then super hot inside. Crazy. 125. Sorry. 30. 125, 30. It's around 85 bucks. No. 185 bucks. Third party 25 bucks. You get those cheaper on eBay. Let's try these right here. Good. No, this one doesn't have a price, but that one does. Like $25? Nah. Nah, I think I've seen this store online and it was like pricey. Really pricey. Where are the loose games at? Oh, Super Famicom. Turtles in Time. It's like $50. Fucking bull. That's bull. Nah. 64 games. That's what I'm here for. Look at the selection though. Like if you want to pay up, come. They got a good selection, right? They got a great selection, but you know, why am I gonna pay $15? I'm gonna go for like $7 somewhere else. Nah. Get me the hell out of here. Yeah, no. It's cool to see old stuff though. Get your Wondersoft World. And it's like this, it's on the 3rd floor. But prices, ridiculously high. Come on, if you're at the mother source, why are you gonna pay so much for video games, you know? We'll try hard off. Try my luck. What are the fucking chicks doing here? You know how it is? You know how it is. So cool stuff, so much cool stuff. Oh man. Hey, yesterday I had to get a freaking basket. Alright. Let's dig in. Dragon Quest. Interesting. 12, Super Turf. Dragon Ball Z. 550. Super Mario RPG. What's that one? 880. Cool. HAL 64. Wave Racer. Looks decent. Mario Party. $7. Is that Yoshi's Island? Not sure. Kiwame. There's another one that starts with an A, I think. That's so expensive. Golf. Super Mario 64. $10. Donkey Kong 64. Donkey Kong 64. Mario Kart. I'll take Mario Kart. Let me just want to get a basket. That's cool. PS4 games, microphones. I like all that scrap stuff. Where's the scraps? Oh, they're the bins. The bins are right there. There's not that much stuff though. But the other ones have a ton of stuff. Tons and tons and tons of stuff. Hey, DVDRs. No. No. Any more Benjamin? Let's bring this basket. The other one has like, I always think these are DS's, but they're not. They're just like those old planners. Canon. Interesting. Oh, look at this. Oh, how you doing? This is like $100. See, I went to the store earlier. Should have bought it, right? No, I went to the store earlier and they had the whole set was $126. It's like $85. But these prices, come on, who's gonna pay? Nobody wants a PS2 anymore. Nobody wants a PS4 anymore. Why are you gonna price them at $100? Why? Oh, why? That's why I like the junk drawers. That's a decent price, $22 for this. Other than that, that's it. Oh, let's see what they have here. Lenses. Okay. The other one has more remotes, more video game stuff. I wonder if This is only the second floor. Oh, that's
充電がすぐやからそれを何
22. I want a Game Boy, but
慣れないんですけど
they go for a lot
今
over
まで
here.
分かんないんですかどうしよ
You get a decent one on eBay, and guess what? If it's underused and if it doesn't work,
ういや俺もこれでいいのか結構
you get your money back.
分かんないですよ
$100 for Famicom. Nope, nope, nope. Hello. Nope. I think there's another level downstairs. Oh. No, this is the street level. Oh, there's 2 floors. Yeah, that's it, guys. That's it. In the middle of nowhere. I don't know how I saw that little tiny flag right there. Anyway, came out with 3 of them. I paid $38.50. Got Mario Kart 64, Wave Racer, and Mario Party. $38.50 is about $30, give or take. Give or take, not that bad. All right, there was another store I wanted to check out over here. So, see you guys in a bit. Ooh, junk. I like me some junk. Figurines. Oh my god, there's a bunch of stuff over there. Anime. Ooh. Plates. I don't want to buy plates. Charging dock. Oh. There's going to be some period in time where the iPhone cables and the first iPhone cable are going to be super valuable. Love me some junk. Oh, cables too. At the dollar store, it's not even $1 anymore. All right.